Hi Shrivers, in this video, I'll be walking you through the home module. So once you have logged in, you'll be able to view on your home module, which has two components. Firstly, we have the tasks, and below it, we have the KPI board overview statistics. So let's view on the task component first. So by default, you are able to view on your today tasks. There are two types of tasks. Firstly, we have the to-do, and secondly is a deal. So how to create the to-do task is by clicking on this create button that is on the top left. Then fill in the informations. Let's say for the task, you want to remind yourself to follow up with the contact. So for the task title, let's put it as follow up with contact A. Then you can select the contact. For the reminder, there are a few options over here. Task due time, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before, or 1 week before. If you do not want to select any of this selection, you can select on a custom date. Then let's select this on 3rd January, 1 PM. If you do not want to have a due date for your task, you can just uncheck on this box. On the right of the due date, we have this priority, so you are able to indicate the importance of this task. So let's select as medium, then click on add task. So now your task has been created, and on 3rd January, 1 PM, an email will be sent to you reminding you about this task. So once you have completed with this task, you can just click on the box next to it and select on mark as complete, or you can just click on this tick icon, which will prompt you if you want to create a follow-up task. If you do not want to create a follow-up task, you can just click on not now. For now, let's create a follow-up task. So let's say the reminder is at task due time and the due date is 9 January. Then click on create task. So now the task has been marked as completed. So how you can find your completed task is by clicking on this today drop-down, then select on done. Then all the tasks that you have completed will be shown over here. For the earlier follow-up task that we have created, it is not shown over here because the due date is not the current date. So how you find your upcoming task is by clicking on the today drop-down again and select on upcoming. Then you are able to view that the follow-up task is over here. So now let's view back on the today table. So now let's go into how to create the deal task. So you will need to go to pipeline. Then you can either select a KPI pipeline board or task manager board. So let's select on this demo board. Then click on the deal. Then on the right side of the deal, you are able to view on this task button. So just click on it and fill in the information similarly to how you create your to-do task. For example, let's fill in some of the information. So example, this is the task information that I have filled in. Then click on add task. Then the task will be shown over here. Then let's view back on the home. Then let's view on the upcoming table. Then as you can see, the deal task is shown over here. Now let's view on the KPI board overview statistic. So over here we have the KPI board selection. So you can select which board that you want to view the statistic. Then below it we have 8 boxes of information. The first 3 boxes, which are contacts added, touchpoint added, and email sent, are referring to your account. Meanwhile, the remaining 5 boxes of information, which are the total value of deal close, longest deal close duration, shortest deal close duration, highest deal close value, and lowest deal close value, are based on the board selected. So if let's say I change it to 10 August board, all these 5 informations are changed according to the board. So that's all for our home module. We hope this video helps you out. See you soon!